Aviatrix. Aviatrix. A woman who is an aviator.
Born in Texas and bred in Oklahoma, when the young Bessie Coleman finally made it to Chicago, no one could talk her out of her dream. After being turned down by practically every aviation school in the country, she took a trip to Paris. Why Paris? She was simply following in the footsteps of her hero, the first black pilot in the world, Eugene Bullard. After Betsy finished her training, she was determined to get back to the U.S. and prove to the world that blacks could do anything if they put their minds to it. The pretty, petite Bessie Coleman quickly rose into world prominence, performing her death-defying acrobatic air shows to cheering crowds all over the country. Way up down the road.
Once you realize that it was in the early ages of flying, for her to get up into that plane and fly like she did, it took a lot of courage.
Coming home, where